Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the Transit van. As you guys know, we did get it painted in a couple of previous videos. We haven't really done a dedicated video on the van since we did the framework. So today we decided that we are going to go ahead and assemble it and film the entire process for you guys, show you guys what's left on the van, what we still have to do before we send it off to the customer. So basically what we need to do is assemble the door jamb area. We need to, put all the clips on, put the weather stripping on, put this little seal right here back on it. And then we need to assemble the door as well. So we'll have to put stuff like the little wire track back on there and the door latches, the door handles, tighten all this up, get everything on there, make sure it closes and opens really nice. Make sure that it seals as well, because we don't want any water getting in there, So what we're going to start with is probably all the little trimmings around the door. I've already put this thing on halfway here, so we need to get the rest of these clips for that. And then we'll get the weather stripping on it, and we'll pop the door on there and see how that thing opens and closes. Working good? What? No, it's not in my back. Why don't you take it over there? There we go, look at that. Nice. 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 I did not know that. All right, so now what we need to do is probably get the door and put the door on. Do you think it even needs a door, Nate?
Dude, easier access.
I feel like the loads are going to be a lot easier to slide in without a door here. I hope you think about that next time you try that.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Nate ain't no good. Nate ain't no good. Alright, so we got the door on and it closes nicely. Everything lines up beautifully. Now we need to go ahead and put this rear bumper trim on. It goes right here. Very simple install. Look at that. What a beauty.
Yes. Yeah.
Pretty nice. Phew, look at that thing, man. Good. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so here we are. One of the final steps of the build. Pops right now is giving it a nice little wash. Look at this thing, it's looking brand new. We may be still missing a part right here, but we're not worried about that. That's on back order, and we're also waiting on a rim. We could not find a rim for this particular van. These are very well used, or they're very popular tire and rim size, so it's hard to locate them. But we do have the reflector and the hubcaps on the way, and the rim is on the way as well. So all very small, tiny details, but the big picture is done. Look at this thing. It's looking absolutely beautiful. The doors open and shut. Check this out. Ooh, look at that. That is smooth. It's like factory. Back doors. Hey, look at that. Woo. Look at that. All the rubbers are in, plastic's in. Everything's assembled. Look at that. Beautiful. I think the guy's gonna be happy. What do you guys think? Do you think he's gonna be happy? Are you guys happy? Drop in the comment section below what you guys think about this rebuild, and let us know what we can change in the future, or give us some ideas on how we can improve. So that's gonna be it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.